I would hate to see you give your heart to someone else. That motivates me to protect our love. Lord knows I needed you in my life. I want to be your hero, the only man you trust to put his life on the line for you. Remember, you are worth more than anything I could ever lose. For your sake, you gave me all the happiness and made me the better person I have become. I cannot give you anything valuable enough to repay all your sweetness in my life. I feel proud that you choose me and get secret of other people. Noticing the good things I see in you, I am asking you to promise me one thing in this letter, that you will be with me always. I promise to be with you now and always. Being with you still seems like a fairy tale. Will there be a happy ever after? I bet there will be, since you came into my life. My world has been filled with happy moments. The life I wish for is what you give to me. All my dreams you bring to reality all through my whole life. I have prayed to be with you forever. At the beginning of my life story, I meet a lot of ladies who disappointed me, and I truly shed tears in pain that ways until I meet you, and you put a smile on my face. Honey, you now I really want us to meet, and now I am already in your country, but I lost your address. Please, can you send it to me now? Please, I am already stranded because I am just in my car. I am keeping this message for you so you can know what is going on. I am not okay. I am already in your country, but I lost your address. Please kindly send it to me so I can come to your direction now. Please, whenever you see my message, tap on the WhatsApp under to send me a direct message on my WhatsApp, and I will give you a immediately reply. Please, honey, I will be waiting for your reply. I am stranded right now. I lost your address. Sorry for that, but can you send it to me again? Please say hi to me so I can call you on video call so we can talk, honey. Please, immediately you see my message did not hesitate to send me a message immediately. Okay, I do not want to leave your country without seeing you or spending some days with you. Please, I have been calling you, but you are not taking my call. Now I am already in your country. I love you, all my princess. Do not avoid me. Now I am in your country. I do not know this place. I came because of you and now I lost your address. Please kindly message me now. Please, I will reply you immediately because I am already in your country. Please, if I do anything wrong, please find a way in a place in your heart to forgive me. I am here for you now. I really want to spend the rest of my life with you. Already you know that, and I already told my dad before leaving Dubai to your country for a while. Now you have not reply me. Map, I will be resting in a hotel waiting for your message. Okay, let me quickly look forever over here, but quickly send me a message. I am on my way to a hotel now so I can come to your address. Okay, I can come to your location. Thank you for your understanding. Try to understand me now. Okay, thanks for your understanding. Anyway, I will be waiting for you. Reply, my love. I love you so much. Kisses. Thanks for watching video.